Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am prepping for a gender reveal. In the previous clip, I was spray painting palm leaves pink and blue to accent the garland. Here I am creating the balloon garland. First, I make duplets, which are two balloons together. And then eventually I am going to begin to take those pairs and put them into clusters of 8. So I just used the traditional blue and pink. And I'm using 3 different size balloons. And that's going to help to give it a organic look. So for the 5-inch balloons, I put them in 2s, 3s, and 4s. And I think I even had one by itself. So basically 2s, 3s, and 4s. Now I'm starting to create my balloon clusters. My clusters have about 8 balloons in there. Now I'm attaching the balloons neck to neck. So I don't use 260s, I just use the necks of the balloons to attach them. So I'm at a home in the basement. The ceilings are very low. The space is kind of tight, but I'm setting up this backdrop. So first I put the metallic drapes as like my background, and then I use my Efavor Mart backdrop stand. So I'm just loading the drapes. I apologize for that support beam being in the way. I don't know what you call it, but I apologize. Eventually I'm going to adjust the camera. So at first I was about to just take the blue and just gather it to the other side, but with the gender reveal, it has to be even. So I felt like if I would have put that blue in the background, then the pink would have kind of dominated. And so for balance, I just decided to weave the fabric. So that's what I'm doing there. And I love the way it turned out. So now I'm adding the balloons on. I have 3 connection points with, actually I use 160s. Now I'm adding my 5-inch fillers in. So here is how it turned out. I inserted those palm leaves. I just stuck them in between the balloons. I did have one balloon pop on me, so I just tried to be very, very careful with sticking those palm leaves in there. I absolutely love the way that turned out. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time. Bye.